Let us discuss a problem on the changing the order of the integration. Changing the order of the integration, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 1 to 2 minus x, xy dx dy. First of all, from the given integration, what are the limits of the variables? Here, integral 0 to 1, integral 1 to 2 minus x, xy dx dy. Here, this is the function of x means this is the y limits from 1 to 2 minus x, x limits from 0 to 1. Now change the order of the integration means x and y variables are interchanged. The limits interchange. From the given integration, x limits are 0 to 1, y limits are 1 to 2 minus x. Okay. Now we can change the order means first we can take here y equal to 1 and y equal to 2 minus x. From this y equal to 2 minus x, from this x is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Next, what are the y values? Y and x. Here x is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and y equal to 2 minus x. 2 minus of minus 2, it's 4. 2 minus of plus minus 1 means it's 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. Here, from the given values, we can draw the limits and then we can change the order of the limits of the variable. First, we can draw it. It is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. It is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 2 means this is 4, minus 1 equal to 3. It's 2. This is 1, it is 0. We can draw the straight line equation. Here, the intersecting points are 1, 1 and it is 2, 0. This is the on the y-axis 0, 2. And this is the bounded area means we can take the strip x equal to here y equal to 1 that is parallel to x-axis. This is the point of 0, 1. We can take the strip and from the strip the above area we can calculate. Okay. From this, what are the y limits? Change the order of the integration. In this, the y limits are here in the above integration, y is in expressed x, x is in real values. In this change of the order of the integration, y limits are in real values. Limits from 1 to 2. This is 1 to 2. Next, we can take this is a line equation. Actual line equation is that is y equal to 2 minus x. So from the change the variable x equal to 2 minus y. Otherwise, we can take the it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2 value. Its x value is 0. 0 to this line equation is what is the line we can take it. We know that y2 minus y1 that is 1 minus 2 into x minus x1, x minus 0 equal to x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0 into y minus y1. From this, minus x equal to y minus 2. Okay. This is equal to y equal to this 2 is taking to left side or x is equal to minus of y minus 2 that is equal to 2 minus y. That is the x variable. We can take any formula either passing through the 2 points or interchanging of this one. So here clearly x limits are from upper 1 to 2, again 0 to the value is 2 minus y. Now we get the change of the order of the limits from the curve with the strip of y equal to 1. Okay. Here the given integral x is equal to 0 to 1, y equal to 1 to 2 minus x, x y dx dy is equal to y limits from 1 to 2, x limits from 0 to 2 minus y, x y dx dy. Now, first we integrate with respect to x. With respect to x means this is the x integration, that is equal to integral y equal to 1 to 2. X integration is x square by 2, limits from 0 to 2 minus y into y dy. It is equal to integral y equal to 1 to 2, 2 minus y whole square by 2 minus 0 square by 2 is 0 into y dy. That is equal to integral y equal to 1 to 2, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, 2 to the 4 into y, 4y plus b square y square whole by 2 into y dy. Now we can multiply with y, that is integral y equal to 1 to 2, 4 into y, 1 by 2 right outside, 4y minus 4y square plus y cube into dy. Now we can integrate 1 by 2. 4 into y integration is y square by 2 minus 4 into y square integration is y cube by 3 plus y power 3 integration is y power 4 by 4, limits from 1 to 2. Now we can apply the upper limit and lower limit. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 twos are 4 minus 1 minus 4 by 3 into 2 power 3 means 8 minus 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 power 4 means 16 minus 1. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 3 minus 4 by 3 into 7 plus 1 by 4 into 15. Taking the LCM, 4 3s are 12 is the LCM. 12. 3 2s are 6, 12 6s are 72 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 7s are 112, 15 3s are 45. It is equal to 1 by 24 into minus 72 means 40 minus 40. This is equal to minus 40 plus 45, that is 5. The answer is 5 by 24. It is equal to 5 by 24. What is the value? Integral x equal to 0 to 1, y equal to 1 to 2 minus x, x, y, dx, dy is equal to 5 by 24 is the answer.